the SoundPEATS Mini Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the SoundPEATS Mini Pro, which features ANC and a transparency mode. It falls at a budget-friendly price point. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, small, medium, large ear tips, and a USB-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 21 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 with the Qualcomm 3040 chipset, AAC, SBC, aptX adaptive codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. 10mm drivers, ANC, transparency, and game mode. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case is small and compact. It has a matte finish with a grippy feel to it all around. And on the front, you have the branding along with the status LED light. On the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and the inside has a glossy finish. The earbuds are fairly small. The inside face has a matte finish with the ear markings. The outer face has a logo along with a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, ANC, and transparency feature. This also has a low latency game mode. The case comes in at 59 by 26 by 43 millimeters. It weighs in at 27 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we know each other.
On track, now we gon' way up. W use as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS Mini Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were comfortable and they seated well in my ears. It created a good seal and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. The touch controls are plus since they limit additional pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is decent, something you would expect at this price point. The case feels light with a plastic feel, and the earbuds feel durable. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. They do protrude out a bit when seated in your ears. Battery life is respectable at 7 hours and 21 total with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging and a better IPX rating. The ANC worked well and very impressive for this price point. It did a great job of canceling the surrounding sounds. The transparency feature was loud and clear when activated as the microphone picked up the noises. Now when it comes to sound, these definitely surprised me. Starting off with the bass, it came in deep, punchy and tight. It doesn't overwhelm and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs came in clean and clear, and vocals and instruments stood out. There was good separation. It's a well-balanced experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I found these to be an excellent pair. These may be one of the best budget pairs under $100. The sounds deliver along with the ANC and transparency features. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS Mini Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.